So this is our epicentre. It was named prior to the earthquakes. This building was opened in 2009, and the parent community that were involved decided it was the epicentre of the community. Name doesn't work quite so well now, and as part of our cultural narrative that we're in the process of, we're looking at renaming our buildings around the schools. So this may very well change its name. One of the things we had to think about was that there are, by the end of the year, 8 learning spaces in the epicentre. So we had to think about how we were going to use the doors, because all of those children, over 100, going through one door with mum and dad, because mum and dad still bring their 5 and 6 year olds to school each morning, and the preschooler and the pram. We had to think about how we were going to be getting the children in and out of these spaces. So you can see on the doors that there's different doors for different areas. So this door here is for the Nest children and our Year 1 collaboration, and then we have doors here for our Year 2 collaboration, and then there's another door around the back as well. Our teachers did a lot of work about the systems that they were going to use. They all do the morning song at the same time. And then they move through to, they've negotiated their timetables so that they're doing the same things at the same time. So it was that soft systems, which has been a real key.
And there is a leadership coach
Yes.
in there as well, for a day, is it? A day a week?
Half a day a week.
Half a day a week, working with teachers on just how it's going to work. And that reflective practice.
It does, and she spent her first 2 weeks on a ladder up on the stage part that they've created there, so that she could get that bird's eye view of what was happening, and was filming it for the parents so that they could see what was happening inside the space as well. So for them, they needed to see how it runs and what we do, and so those little film snippets were really, really beneficial for them to get that idea of what was going on. And by having the bird's eye view, they got a really good understanding of what was happening in the different spaces.